Hello, beautiful people. This gathering today is the first gathering of the great unifiers, which today we have met for the first time in agreement to float a very, very important socio-cultural group in Ala IGBO, which is known today as Ndi Na Asu Bia. Ndi Na Asu Bia socio-cultural group. This group, by the special grace of God, shall or will be headed by our own brother Onyenkem Ochikoribuanuwa Igbo Ezue TV. Abu Ogu Awu Kainebi ezigbote nwa amụrụ na akụmazụ ụmụọcha na Eka North East. You know, these are beautiful people. From my right hand side is Azuka, all the way from Igbanke. He is representing the good people of Igbanke. This is Elder Boyogu, all the way from Ukwani, and our distinguished barrister, an amiable barrister. I don't so much words. I don't even have words to quantify his importance in this group. This is Barrister Ofoch Benjamin Atagana. I have a very special brother. This is Mr. Chukwemeka Kogolo, aka Deputy Jesus Ufunwa Diokbalezechim from Onichubu. One name. Welcome. And I have a very vibrant young man.
Beautiful young man.
Very handsome and energetic. He's a warrior. He's a fighter. So we are trying to see how we are going to at least but you know, I say bodike so keep fighting, brother. Keep fighting. I'm not going to ask you not to fight. Fight, because that's the only way we can solidify our stay here. Thank you. All the way from Ogume in Ukwani. Ogume. And I have a very special person, somebody that I've known, a daddy in the house, the golden voice of Africa, the golden voice of the unified Igbos now. Ndi Na Asu Bia voice. Give us that. Udogachi n'Ala Igbo, Udogachi Igwe bike Akuluna ụmụ Igbo n'ọnụ ụmụ Igbo niile Ndi Na-asụ bịa Ndi na-asụ n'ụwa niile na-atabanụ ka idozi ala Igbo Igbo dị nsọ Igbo amaka Igbo bufu. That is it. That is our brother from Onichufani, under Ndokwa West Local Government Area of Delta State. Igbo bufu. All right, and I have a very important personality as long as this Unify Igbos Now movement campaign is concerned. The president of Ndi Na Asu Bia socio-cultural group. One name.
Udogachi.
Ochikoribuanu nke ndị Igbo. Buruburu. Ọcha buruburu. Ochikoribuanu buruburu. Onye akụmazi buruburu. All right, and I have the last but not the least. Ikoro Ndi Igbo, the Ezumezu Royal TV, the man that has also traversed the whole of Igbo land. I mean, he's my co-traveler. Many of you might not know him now, but after now you will know through his works. Onya na bago villages. One them Agabaragi. And by the grace of God, I am your own special and most I'm not going to give so much accolade to myself. But a unified Igbo's down proponent. Thank you and God bless. Thank you and God bless.